This is a song about places and changes. This is a song about time. This is a song about horses long gone, trapped in my memory like an 8-second rhyme. This is a song about after the winning, figuring out how to cope. Of a ghost town Montana arena and a bay mare called Whispering Hope. Whatever happened to Whispering Hope? Whatever happened to me? Well, me and that bay mare, we owned that arena, and for an 8-second dance, Lord, we were free. Out in front of that ramshackle beer stand, getting high on fortune and fame. I remember the river and a wide-eyed girl, but I'll be damned if I remember her name. This is a song about trying to hang on when there's no easy way to fall hard. Tumbleweeds blow through this grandstand like smoke, like ghosts of old broncs in a haunted graveyard. My wife and the kids, they're grown impatient, waiting and wondering why. I never thought I'd be praying in the words of a song, whispering hope goodbye. I never thought I'd be praying in the words of a song, whispering hope goodbye.